Welcome class 2. I hope all of you are very fine, my dear students. Today I will teach you a new topic, okay, that is like related with the verbs with ing, present participle, okay. We are using some words with the present participle, with the verbs with ing, okay, to frame a sentence, okay, in a present continuous, in a past continuous, or in a future continuous. So my dear students, okay, this is the topic from our unit 1, what a mess, okay, and the topic name is helping verbs. Helping verbs. Like, helping and verbs. It's mean these words which I am going to tell you, this will help to a verb, okay, to a verb. This will help to a verb, okay, to frame any sentence. Now I'm going to tell you, okay, my dear students, see, helping verbs, helping verbs, a helping verb helps the main verb express action or make a statement or make a statement. Like helping verb plus main verb and is equal to verb phrase is equal to verb phrase. It's mean, my dear students, okay, you will use okay helping verb. This is helping verb is, and what is main verb? This acting is a main verb. So you will use helping verb and the main verb, and then you will make a verb phrase, and then you will make a verb phrase. You will make any sentence. So Tonya is a noun here. So Tonya is acting in another play today. So Tonya is acting in another play today. Here, acting is a main verb and it is a helping verb. As I told you before, like this, we will frame any sentence. We will make any sentence. Okay. Now, I'm going to tell you something more about helping verbs. Okay. See, a helping verb works together with the main verb. With the main verb. Okay. See, she. She is a pronoun here. Is a helping verb here. And what is main verb here? Leaving. What is main verb here? Leaving. Now there are some more sentences. As an example, I am giving you, like they are going on a picnic. They are going on a picnic. I am playing cricket. I am playing cricket. So my dear students, here, see, here is a helping verb. Now in this sentence, are is a helping verb. Now in this sentence number 3, am is a helping verb. Now one thing is there, that how you know that where you will use am and where you will use are and where you will use is. So my dear students, when any sentence will start from I, at that time you will use am as a helping verb. Next is, if any sentence, okay, starts with a singular noun, with a singular noun and with he, with she, or with it, okay, or like a boy, a girl, a woman, a man, okay. So if your sentence will start from a singular noun or with any with he, with she, with it, okay, a man and a woman, okay, at that time you will use is. At that time you will use is as a helping verb with these for these sentences. Next is, okay, now what you are using with it now, my dear students, you will use here is as a helping verb here. Next, now am we use here, is we use here, and now left are. So with the plural noun, my dear students, with the plural noun, or your any sentence start with we, your any sentence start with they, and your any sentence start with you. At that time, you will write with them A-R-E-R. Okay. So what helping verb you will use for this one? Are. You will use you as a singular noun or as a plural noun, but helping verb, what helping verb you will use with you? Are. So like this, my dear students, you will use I with I am with singular noun, okay, and with he, she, and it, you will use is, okay, and with the plural noun, and with we, they, and you. And if your sentence will start from we, they, and you will use with them are. Like this, you will use helping verb, okay, and with and the main verb you will use, and then you will complete it any sentence. You will complete it any sentence. I hope, my dear students, you understood all this. I am going to my next thing. This is calling. This is calling auxiliary verb. Okay. What are auxiliary verbs? Auxiliary verbs are calling also helping verb. Or calling also helping verb. So an auxiliary verb helps the main verb and is also called a helping verb. That actions happened in the past or is happening in the present or will happen in the future. Or will happen in the future. So my dear students, see, auxiliary verb. Okay, what is auxiliary verb? Auxiliary verbs are the auxiliary verb. These are the auxiliary verb. Okay. 1 minute. Yes, auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verbs are calling helping verbs also. And the action happened in the past. At that time, you will use was and were. The action happened in the present. You will use is, am, are plus the main verb, and actions, any actions will happen in the future. At that time you will use will. Okay, there are many helping verbs are there, my dear students, that you are using, okay, to make any sentence. But here there are some words I am going to share with you, like am, is, are, was, were, being, been, be, has, have, had, did, shall, will, should, would, may, and might. These are the helping verbs, okay, that you are using to frame any sentence that you are using with the main verb. It will help the verb to frame any sentence, to make any sentence. So my dear students, okay, there is one more example for you, okay, about helping verbs. Helping verbs help the main verbs in doing their job. Like I'm going to tell you now here. See, you can see this picture, okay, and look at this picture, and you will understand this example. The boy, the boy, the boy. So where is the boy? This one is the boy. This one is the boy. The boy is, what is his here? Is a helping word here. What is helping here? Helping is the main word here. Okay. The boy is helping to whom? His father. His father. This is the father. So see, the father is carrying some book. Okay. And some book the boy is carrying, and he is helping his father. Okay, to carry in he is helping his father to carry the books. So this is one more example which I shared with you now. There are some sentences, okay, in the sentences there are some examples also. In these examples, my dear students, okay, we will underline helping verb. So what is the question? Our question is underline verbs from the following sentences. Underline verbs from the following sentences. So examples are there. The first example is she is going to a party. She is going to a party. So my dear students, what is verb here? In this sentence, is a verb here. Next is they were singing beautifully. They were singing beautifully. So here were is using as a helping verb, but this sentence is about the past. Okay, here something happening in the past. So we use here were. So were is using here as a helping verb. Next is number 3. I am doing my homework. I am doing my homework. As I told you now, my dear students, before also with I. With I, what you are using here, am. So, am is a helping word here. Next is he is a singular noun and we are using here as a past tense. So, he was helping his mother. He was helping his mother. So, my dear students, what we will understand, what we will underline here was. Was is the answer that we will underline here. Next is, this is also we. We are using as a plural noun also, and we are playing in the garden. So what helping verb they use here with we are. So what is the answer here for this sentence are? We are playing in the garden. So number 1 is the helping verb. Second one is were. Third one is am. Fourth one is was. And fifth one is are is the answer. Are is the answer. So like this, my dear students, we will complete our this slide. I'm going to my next slide. Yes. In the previous slide, my dear students, in the previous slides, okay, we have just underlined helping verb, but on in this slide, okay, we will underline two things, okay, we will circle two things, we will choose two things, okay. What are those things? One is helping verb, and the second one is verb, and the second one is verb. Okay, so we will choose from these sentences all of the following sentences: helping verb and the verb, helping verb and the verb. So number 2, the first one is already done for you. I am playing cricket. So am and playing, am is a helping verb and playing is a verb. So am playing, okay, because we have to choose two things from here, helping verb and verb. So I am playing cricket. I am playing cricket. Next is he is cleaning his room. He is cleaning his room. So is a helping verb here and cleaning is a verb here. Next is number 3. They are going on a picnic. They are going on a picnic. Okay. So here are is a helping verb and going is a verb here. So they are going on a picnic. Next is number 4. She was getting dressed when we arrived. About the past tense, she was getting. Was is a helping verb here and getting is a verb. So she was getting when he was getting dressed when we arrived. Next is number 5. We were waiting for our friends. We were waiting for our friends. So were is a plural noun. We are using here were, and waiting is also as a word we are using here. So in sentence number 1, I am playing, am playing. Number 2 is cleaning. Number 3 is are going. Number 4 is was getting. And number 5 is were waiting, were waiting. So like this, we will complete our work. I hope, my dear students, all of you understood this nicely. Okay. So tomorrow, inshallah, we will do a worksheet about this lesson, about this topic, sorry. Okay, and I will revise again the explanation of this topic tomorrow again. So thank you all of you. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.